Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Adda. I am Amarnath Gupta. I will show you how to create a powerful and interactive dashboard in Power BI by using Excel. Let's get started. First, let's open Power BI desktop. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free Microsoft website. Please wait a moment while Power BI desktop is opening. This might take a few seconds. Thanks for patience. Please wait a few seconds. Here is Power BI open. Click on the blank report and click import data from Excel. Locate the select Excel file where you have and then click open. This might take a few moments, so please be patient. While the data is loading, let me explain what we will be doing next. We will check the data type, create visualization for key metrics, and then customize the dashboard to make it interactive and visually appealing. Here you can see two sheets, financial. Please check the checkbox and load the data. This might take a few seconds. Data is almost loaded. Once the data is loaded, next switch to the model view by clicking on model icon on the left side bar. Ensure that the data type are correctly assigned. For instance, date should be in a date format, and column like unit sold, sales, profit should be decimal or whole number. Now click on report view on the left sidebar. If you want to create relationship, then click on model view, and you have some multiple Excel file or multiple data, then you can create a relation between them. But for this time, I have a single table. We are good to go. I can click report view on the left side. Next, we will create a line chart to show sales over time. Select the line chart icon in the visualization, and in the data tab, click there and select sales and date for axis area and sales for value. The line chart is generating now. Now create another card visualization for total profit. Follow the same step as sales card, but use profit field instead. Now let's create a bar chart. Click on bar chart and select the profit field in value area and segment field to the axis area. You can also click the checkbox of segment area of segment. Now we create a card visualization for total units sold. Follow the same step as sales card, but use the unit sold field. For a column chart showing units sold by product, select the clustered column chart icon and drag the product field to the axis area, or you can also click on product and unit sold to the value area. Finally, let's add a map visualization to show sales by country. Select the map icon and and then select the country from data tab. Adjust the map where you like. Now we add a slicer for interactivity. Please click on slicer. And select the segment area. You can adjust the size of slicer by dragging. Now we can create another slicer for country. Do the same process. Click on country. And you can also adjust the position of slicer or any chart. You can also modify the title, color, font or any by clicking on visualization by format your visual icon. You can change the name, title, color, font size or any effect. You can select the here I select the slicer. You can see the effect of our dashboard. Now ensure that the layout is clean and all visuals are properly aligned. This makes the dashboard easy to read and understand. And that's it. We have created a comprehensive Power BI dashboard using data from an Excel file. This dashboard can provide valuable insight into sales, profit and units sold across variable segments and countries. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Adda for more tutorial on Excel, Power BI and data analytics. Thanks for watching.